Hey guys, welcome back. I hope y'all are doing well. Today I'm doing a little switch up and finally heading into something from 2014. I'll be checking out Sound of Change by Dirty Heads. This is the group's fourth studio album that was released on July 8th, 2014. The standard edition, which I'll be checking out today, has a runtime of about 40 minutes, where the deluxe edition has a runtime of about 47 minutes. The album also has three singles. They are My Sweet Summer, the title track, Sound of Change, and End of the World. Features on the album include Tech 9, Be Real, and Ward 21. In a way, this album was a departure from their more hip hop reggae sound the band was known for in favor of pop. Now, let's go ahead and hop into some of the tracks. We start the album off with the title track. I feel it's a decent track to start off with. I love the overall sound of the track. I do love the flows from both Dirty J and WB on here, and I felt the chorus was done well. My Sweet Summer has always been a favorite of mine. I have so many memories with this track since the first time I heard it a decade ago. I've always found this to be a fun song to listen to, and I seem to listen to it a bit more this time of year too, since summer is coming to an end. That's how I felt about the track, at least, but looking at the lyrics a little more closely, and especially with me being, 10 years older now, it's more about being a girl for the weekend, and they eventually end up leaving as quickly as they came in for essentially a one night stand. But for sure, you did have a fun time, but just went by so quick. I've always found this to be a fun track as well. I do love the raps on here and never really minded the chorus. Burn Slow is an interesting track. Tech 9 is featured on here, and I feel he is a great feature to have. I love all the references to drugs throughout the track, even if I didn't catch all of them upon, like my first listen, as, I've never like listened to a lot of these tracks before until like this listen. I loved how they all sound on this track. It just seemed like a fun track overall. Franco Wide is the next track and features Be Real. I didn't mind him on the back end of the track, even with how weird or even funny some of the lyrics get on this track. I feel there's some memorable lines off here. It definitely feels like another fun track to listen to. It's the end of the world as we know it. Hey, that's the wrong song. By just had to do it. You do this all the time. It's me. It's my turn to finally do this for once. Don't you think? Yeah, but that's just me. I just want to try and make a joke from time to time and try not to make these, videos like so short because I know half the time they're only like anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes in length. So I'm just trying to help you out just a little bit more. Yeah, sure, but it also depends on how I'm feeling and even want to talk about. But anyways, I guess we'll talk this out later, and I'll be continuing on with this review. All right, let's get back into it. End of the World. I felt this was a decent track and definitely a change of pace thus far on the album as we essentially cross over the halfway point. I find it different as we get more singing vocals on the verses as compared to rapping, as, shown on the other tracks. Either way, it still sounds good. Lyrically, I feel it's about a couple. No matter what happens and what you want to do, you would want to be with this significant other till the end of the world or end of time. You'd practically do anything for them, no matter what. I feel Radio is another decent track. We do get back to the reggae style instrumental, which I felt was enjoyable. I felt the song was well with its verses. Lyrically, I feel the track is about when people listen to songs, they think they know how the artist feels when they made a specific track. So essentially, someone like me and even the well known reviewers here on YouTube. Just kind of like know how they feel in some shape or form. We all feel we can relate to them in some sort of way based on what they're saying or how they're feeling when in actuality we don't even personally know these singers, rappers, producers, etc. Unless you actually want to school with them or just know them in some shape or form that kind of brought you guys close to each other. I didn't mind Medusa, but I just kind of feel it's just a meh track. For sure, I do feel there's standout points in the track, but like nothing that's spectacular. I'll finish us off with Silence. I didn't feel this was a bad track to finish off the album. I enjoyed the instrumental on here. I love the verses as well. My favorite tracks are Sound of Change, My Sweet Summer, Burn Slow featuring Tech 9, End of the World, and Hear You Coming. Say, I'll give this album a 4 out of 5. As usual, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and yeah, feel free to leave your thoughts down below in the comments. Again, I'm just kind of happy I made this little switch up and chose an album from 2014. Next week, I'll essentially be doing the same thing again, like I did this week, and yeah, on Friday, I'll be looking at number 6 collaborations projects by Ed Sheeran, followed by Multiply by Ed Sheeran on Saturday. Of course, back to back with Ed Sheeran, but I know both of these albums do celebrate anniversaries this year and just kind of want to hit on both of them and just kind of decide why not do both of them together, essentially back to back. But yeah, I guess I'll see you all next time.